Hello learners, my name is Athiya. Welcome to Athiya Studies. I have created videos on 1D array programs and I have explained few 2D array programs as well. Please do watch the videos and understand the logic very well. Okay. Today I am going to explain one 2D array program and that is comparing two matrices, which means both matrices are equal or not. Okay. So to check both matrix are equal or not, first we need to compare rows and columns of both the matrix. If both same, then we'll compare elements of two matrix, or else we just ignore comparing elements, right? Okay. It's a very simple concept. Let me explain you in notepad. Let's suppose there are two arrays. M1 is one array, M2 is one array. M1 array dimension is 2 cross 3, which means 2 rows and 3 columns, and the elements are like 2 rows 1 2 3, first row and 3 columns, right? That's why 1 2 3 or the 3 columns. Okay, so first row contain 1 2 3, second row contain 4 5 6. So these are the elements of M1. If my M2 is for suppose 2 uh, 3 cross 2, M2 dimension is 3 cross 2, which means 3 rows and 2 columns, right? What are 3 rows? Let's take 1, 4, 3 rows, but columns are only 2. Okay, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, second column is completed, 4 and 5. So 3 rows I have given 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 columns. So uh, 1 4, this is the first column and this is the second column. The rows are 3. So if the dimension is like this, then how can two matrices will be same? These were not the dimension is itself is false, right? So the both matrices are not gonna equal. Okay, so if the dimensions are not equal, then the matrix it won't compare the elements which are inside the matrix. Let's suppose if my M2 dimension is also 2 cross 3, let's take, and I have the elements inside it 1 2 3, and second row 4, similar to M1 4 5 and 6. If it is in this is the case, then both matrices look same, right? Which are similar. Okay, I need to write this in a program. So here I have a class, and inside class I have a main method. What I need to do first, I need to check the rows and columns are equal or not. Okay, before going to check rows and columns are equal or not, I need to create two 2D arrays. Int M1 is my first array. Okay, inside M1 I am taking 2 cross 3 elements 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and 4 comma 5 comma 6, right? So this is my first array. Int array M2 so I'm taking here first of all I need to show you matrix or similar is easy one, right? So I need to show you both matrix are not similar. So let's take, I'm taking here 1 comma 4 5 comma 6 7 comma 8. So So I have two matrices, first is M1 and second is M2, right? So further I want what are the rows of first matrix, what are the columns of first matrix, what are the rows of second matrix, and what are the columns of second matrix. So for that, row 1, so I'm taking row into R1 int R2 is nothing but second matrix row int column 1, which means first matrix column, int column 2 second matrix column. So row 1 is nothing but M1 dot length, okay, first matrix row, M2 dot length second matrix row, dot length which means it shows the length of the rows, okay. So if you want get column length, if you take first index, so M1 of first index, which means this column, okay, the column length is first column length sorry, matrix length, matrix column length will be stored in C1, second matrix column will be stored in C2. I got columns. If R1 first row of this matrix not equal to R2 second row of this matrix, here we have two rows, here we have three rows. So if row 1 not equal to row 2 and columns also should be same, right? Column not equal to column 2. If this is the case, then simply print system dot out dot println both matrix are not equal. That's it. If R1 not equal to R2 and column 1 not equal to column 2, if these two conditions are true, then both matrices are not equal. If these two conditions, the two conditions must satisfy here because it is an AND condition, right? So row should not equal to first matrix row and second matrix row should not equal to 0, not equal to both R1 not equal to R2 and C1 not equal to C2, then only both matrices are not equal. If else if both are equal, now we need to check the elements. For int I is equal to 0, I less than R1, I plus plus, and for loop, another for loop, int j is equal to 0, j less than column 1, j plus plus. First one is for rows, second one is for columns. Okay, if m1 I and jth element not equal to m2 ith and jth element, then what we need to do here? We just, so here I am taking one variable, boolean variable b, boolean b is equal to true. Initially it will be true, okay. If both were not equal, then that will become false. B is equal to false, and I am giving break condition here. If these were not equal, if each and every element, if one element is not equal to the second array element, then it will obviously it will not equal to the both matrices are not equal, right? So that's why If any condition is not say, if any element is not matched with the two matrices, at that position, the loop will be end over here. That's why I'm giving break over here. So out of the loop, what I'm doing here, if b is equal to true, okay. So if b is equal to, initially we are giving true, right? So if b is equal to true, then system dot out dot println both matrix were same. Both matrix are same. Okay. Else simple system dot out dot println both matrix are not equal. Both are equal, both were not equal. Looping this entire matrix, I am giving here one if condition. If b is equal to true, then matrix will be equal, or else matrix will not be equal. Debug the program. So currently both matrix are not equal. Okay, it is showing both matrix are not equal. If in case, if I give both matrix are equal, so I'm commenting this array here. Let's see both matrix are equal. If you give equal elements, it will show equal. If I change anything here, let's take 8 here. See, both matrix are not equal. Okay, so nothing much to understand here, just simple calculating rows and columns. If any one of the row or any one of the column is not matched, not equal, then matrix will not equal. Okay, if both were matched, then it will enter into the loop. It will iterate first rows, then columns. If while iterating row and column, if anywhere it was not matched, then it will enter into the loop. B value will be changed and it will come out from the loop. Then we just calculating B value. If B is true, then matrix are equal. If B is not true, then matrix are not equal. Okay, so I'm sharing this code in GitHub as well. Okay, I'll paste the link. Please check it out. I hope you understand this program very well. If you have any doubts, please do let me know, and thank you for watching the video.